Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing a new subject which is very useful to MBA and MSc statistics students and also for the students who are pursuing business analytics. Here today we are going to discuss a topic in operations research, that is linear programming problem. In this linear programming problem, what is meant by a linear form? What is meant by a linear form? A linear form is a mathematical expression which is in the form of a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus up to so on plus an xn. A linear form is meant a mathematical expression of the type a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus up to so on plus an xn. Here a1, a2, an are the constants, x1, x2 up to so on xn are the variables. A linear form which is in the form of mathematical expression, that is a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus up to so on an xn. Here the term programming refers to the process of determining a particular program or plan of action. Linear programming problem. In this linear programming problem, linear form means mathematical expression which is in the form of a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus up to so on an xn, and programming means the process of determining a particular program or plan of action. And this LPP, linear programming problem is an optimization technique in OR. Optimization technique in OR. Optimization technique means getting the maximum or minimum solution to the given problem. Getting the maximum solution or minimum solution to the given problem. Here we are having a definition for this linear programming problem. The general LPP calls for optimizing a linear function of variables called the objective function subject to a set of linear equations and or inequalities called the constraints or restrictions. The general LPP calls for optimizing a linear function of variables called the objective function subject to a set of linear equations and or inequalities called the constraints or restrictions. Simply, linear means the relationship between different variables like x, y and z. We can also write in the form of the equations like 2x1 plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 10. Here all the powers should be same, then it is said to be linear. When you check this equation, x to the power of is 1 and y to the power of is 1 and z to the power of 1 is 1. All the powers are same, then it is said to be linear. And programming means simply it is a model which provides optimum solution for given problem. Finally, LPP is an allocation problem. Okay, so to solve this LPP problem, we have to understand the basic concepts of the LPP problem. Basic concepts of the LPP problem. In that, first one is objective function. Here we are having two types of objective functions. One is minimization, second one is maximization. When we have to minimize and when we have to maximize. Which function is called as minimization objective function and which function is called as maximization objective function. Let us suppose here I am taking an example of a firm which produces two types of products like A and B. To transport these two finished products, it requires 2 rupees for transporting A and 3 rupees for transporting B. Here we are transporting two products at the same time. That means we have to reduce the cost of transportation. Then we have to minimize the transportation cost. And it is written in the form of minimization Z or minimization of f of x. This minimization of f of x is called as objective function. Minimization. Why we are using here minimization means here we are going to reduce the transportation cost. So it is in the form of minimization. Minimization of z is equal to 2x1 plus 3x2. At the same time, if any problem is given that if a product earns 3 rupees of profit and B product earns 4 rupees of product, then what we have to do here? Here he is saying that A product earns 3 rupees of profit and B product earns 4 rupees of profit. Here it has been given that profit means profit function. Profit function should be always maximized. Profit or sales always should be maximized. And it is written in the form of maximization of z is equal to 3x1 plus 4x2. And the second concept of LPP is constraints. Constraints are used to control the objective function. These constraints are used to control the objective function. Let us suppose while we are producing a product, it needs some inputs like men, machine, material, money, time and labor. These are very important aspects while we are producing a product. These are to be controlled. These are to be controlled and it is called as constraint. Let us suppose to produce a product, 10 kgs of raw material and 3 number of labors are required and the available machine in hours is 6 hours. So while you are producing that product, 10x1, that means 10 number of raw material plus 3 number of labors are to be used and it should be less than or equal to 10 machine hours available. 10x1 plus 3x2 which is less than or equal to 10 means here this is the constraint which are to be controlled. Next one, non-negativity. Non-negativity condition. Generally, we cannot produce negative number of products. We can produce one number of product or 2 number of product or 100 number of product or some x number of products. But we cannot produce -1 product. That means producing or manufacturing negative number of items or products physically is meaningless. Negative number of items manufacturing physically is meaningless, so that the number of items manufacturing should be non-negative. Here we are manufacturing A product, we are manufacturing B product, means x1, x2 up to so on, xn. It should be greater than or equal to 0, not less than or equal to 0. By using all these three items or three concepts, we can find the feasible solution. We can get an alternative solutions. From that alternative solution we can get the best solution, and that the best solution is called as optimum solution. So this is the basic introduction about the linear programming problem, and this is the mathematical model of linear programming problem. Let x1 comma x2 up to so on xn are the n decision variables along with the cost. Cost means profit, revenue, production, transportation cost, etc. Profit cost, revenue cost, production cost, transportation cost, etc. Say C1 comma C2 up to so on Cn are the cost. Then the objective function is given by f of x is equal to z is equal to C1 x1 plus C2 x2 plus up to so on plus Cn xn, subject to constraints a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus up to so on a1n xn less than or equal to b1, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus up to so on plus a2n xn less than or equal to or greater than b2. Like this is the mathematical model of LPP.